My neighbor Earl dropped an Oliver 88 in my lap about 12 years ago, found it sitting in a fence row outside of Ames. Hadn't run since the Carter administration, half eaten by a locust tree growing up through the axle. Earl figured it was scrap iron. I took one look at that long hood and that faded meadow green paint, and I said, "Earl, you just gave me a project." The Oliver 88 is one of the most underrated tractors ever built. Charles City, Iowa, 1947 to 1954. Smooth six-cylinder engine, the unique Hydra-Lectric hydraulic system, and honestly one of the best-looking tractors to ever come off an American assembly line. When one of these shows up in your shop, you owe it a real restoration. First thing I do is a full engine assessment before I spend a dime on anything else. Pull the valve covers, check for sludge and wear, spin the engine over by hand, and listen for knocks. On an 88 that's been sitting, you'll almost always find stuck rings and glazed cylinders. Don't assume the worst. Do a compression test. I've brought back engines that looked hopeless just by freeing rings with penetrating oil and a few hundred miles of careful break-in. Now the Hydra-Lectric System, that's what makes the 88 special, and it's what scares people away. It combines hydraulics and electrics into one integrated system for the three-point lift. When it acts up, most guys just bypass it. Don't. Get the service manual, understand how it's supposed to work, and go through it systematically. 9 times out of 10, it's a stuck control valve or a failing pump seal. Nothing you can't handle with the right specs in front of you. Electrical overhaul is next. These ran 6-volt positive ground systems. Every connector on a 60-year-old tractor is suspect. I rewire from the battery forward, new harness, new ground straps, replace the generator brushes. Don't try to patch what's rotten. Here's something they don't tell you in the YouTube comments. Before you mix a drop of Meadow Green paint, get a factory color chip. The reproduction paint colors vary wildly between suppliers. I've seen restorations ruin a tractor's value by using the wrong shade. Call a supplier who specializes in Oliver and ask for a color chip before you order a gallon. If you want the full service manual for your Oliver 88 with all the specs, torque values, and Hydra-Lectric diagrams, I've got it over at the manual store. Link is right below. Thumbs up if this helped. Drop your questions in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.